that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell me, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a wig application. Okay, so I'm going to a wedding tomorrow, and you know, I wanted to try something new, do something a little different. You know, I haven't been out the house, we've been in quarantine, so I kind of want to shake things up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to secure a wig. Now I do have another wig video on my channel, so from then to now is how long we've done a wig application. So we're gonna need to strap up for battle over here, okay? Because I need this thing to be slayed and laid. So this is what the wig looks like. I was going for like a short pixie cut wig. This is a curly wig unit. She is curly, honey, okay? So the brand of this wig is by Cranberry hair. Once again, I bought my wig off of Aliexpress. So this wig cost me around, I think it was like $69, $70. And I ordered it in a 10-inch length, but I cut her. I definitely cut her. I literally went Edward Scissorhands and was like chopping her up, okay? I also added some highlights as well. As you can see, this wig came straight black, so tried to add a little razzle dazzle, okay? So we're just gonna get started. So I did actually like spray the inside of the legs with Gots to Be because I think I bleached the knots for too long and the hair was coming out, and I started freaking out because I did all this work. And I'm like, instead of using, if you can hear like a chainsaw going on in the back, after that little storm we had on Thursday, they're cutting down the trees now, and they want to do it at 5 o'clock. I did spray the knots with Gots to Be just to seal them. So if you do not have a wig or a knot sealer, you can definitely use Gots to Be. So we're gonna put the wig cap on. And as you can see, I have already braided my hair into the set it off braids. They're kind of messy only because I have these long tarantula nails, and I have not worn nails since March, and so I was a little newbie with braiding my hair. I actually did my nails myself, y'all. You know that poly gel that I ordered? That's what I use. So I'm just going to wrap my hair together how I did in my last wig video, just to get my hair as flat as possible when it's under this wig, as you can see. And I'm just going to secure it with bobby pins, just so that it doesn't fall under the wig. So we're going to pull this down. We're gonna pull this down over our eyebrows because I can't see if it ain't. And we're going to pull this part down, and we're gonna cut out the little ear holes. use the Gots to Be glue, the freeze spray in the yellow bottle. And we're just going to put this all over the wig. All over the wig cap. And make sure you kind of press this going backwards. So you're actually going to spray this freeze spray like 2 to 3 times, and just make sure you blow dry in between each application. Once that is completely dry, we're going to start cutting the wig cap. So honestly, you could just, it's really how far back you want your wig. I wanted this to be at my hairline because I do have a low hairline. So I'm just pulling it back and just cutting it with no rhyme or reason. Okay, so I had to cut the sideburns down because when I put the wig on, you can actually see the wig cap. And I guess my sideburns are just hella long. So that's what we had to do there. Now I'm just going to make this a little bit more smooth so that it doesn't unravel. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to spray the rat tail comb and kind of just push this down. We are going to clean this hairline because we got hella glue on here. I'm going in with 91% alcohol. Okay, so now I'm going to put some foundation on this wig cap and the lace, just so it can match my skin tone. So me finishing putting the foundation on my wig and this part of actually me putting the glue on and showing you what glue I use. The file got corrupted, so I don't have that footage. But for the glue that I use, I got it from the beauty supply store. Let me get the name. Hold on. So the glue is called the No Mess Crazy Tube Super Lace Glue for lace wigs for professional use only. It does dry clear, and it comes with that wooden stick that I'm using and a brush. I did apply 2 layers of this, and like I said, it's supposed to dry clear. This is pretty sticky, so it's really for professional use only, but I did, make it work. So I dried the glue just a little bit so it can get tacky, and then I applied the wig, and now I'm back combing the wig so we can get that scalp edge that we want. So a little bit more about this glue. It has a strong hold. I don't usually wear wigs for that long, and they do start to lift, but when I tell you at this wedding, it did not move at all. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to Ghost Bond or the other wig glue, I can't even think of the name right now, definitely try this glue out. I think I only spent like $5 on this glue, and honestly, it's the bomb. But it's just really messy. Even though it says no mess, it's messy. But if you can get past it, then you are good to go. Also, a little bit about the actual wig. I did have to, the wig does say it comes pre-plucked, but I actually plucked the wig to my hairline, and I actually raised the hairline of the wig so that it can match my actual hairline, because the sides of my hair are really low, but the top of my hair is a little bit pushed back. So I did kind of have to like pull some hair from the top of the wig so it can match my hairline. Okay, now we're going to put our scarf on just to lay down what we have done. Y'all, I'm praying that this works. Lord, be our shepherd securing this wig. And like something is like itching my forehead. So on a scale of 1 to 10 with this glue is really messy, but I feel like it will hold like through thick and thin, a storm, the storm we had 2 days ago. So it says for extended wear bonding use only. So I only plan on wearing this like until tomorrow. So I'm hoping that this comes off my head. But I will be back after this set. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes just so everything can lay nicely. So we're gonna do the Gots to Be method again, and we're just gonna spray the hairline. Cause that's what I be seeing them girls do. Just spray. So I'm actually gonna cut the lace with eyebrow scissors, but I'm gonna need to get real close and personal. So I do apologize if you cannot see what I'm doing. So now I'm going in and securing the lace even more. Some pieces did lift up after I cut the lace from the wig. So we're doing the same method we did for the wig cap, just spraying it on the back of the rack tail comb, or actually on the lace, and pressing the lace down so that it can be a nice secure scalpage look. And honestly, y'all, this wig is going absolutely nowhere. I tugged on it and this thing is stuck to my head. So I'm gonna style it first. So I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. I didn't have the other setting lotion, so we're just gonna go in with this. And we're just going to put this all in the hair. And they said not to go in with water because you don't want your hair to be frizzy. I actually went in with water on the day of the wedding, and then I went in with the Cream of Nature curl defining cream, and I used the Gots to Be freeze spray to kind of hold everything together. And my hair did not frizz, so just keep in mind you don't have to just use the mousse. I'm just feeling the bang on this side, but I kind of messed up with the hair. I don't know why this side ain't got no hair. But if I take this off, then you'll see my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. So for my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Shine and Jam. This is in the Extra Hold formula. I did the baby hairs on this side, and I kind of fixed this area right here. So now we're gonna work on the baby hairs on this side. We're just gonna lay this down. And make sure you go in with a gentle hand for this. So this is basically what the look is going to look like. I'm gonna finish the rest tomorrow, which there's really nothing to be done. I'm going to actually, you know, do my makeup tomorrow. So I'm actually gonna put this on to lay down the front still, and then put a bonnet on to secure the wavy curls. You'll see me in a different location tomorrow. I'm actually gonna be in a hotel, so we're gonna shoot that clip right now. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.